amazing video for you. I made these wings, these angel wings, ombre, super bright colors. This is super easy and fast. That's what I'm all about, just getting straight to the point. So I made these wings for my last video where I made myself into Pepita, the jaguar from Coco, and I'm gonna show you how I made these. These are perfect if you want to be like a parrot for Halloween, or you're going to a party, you just want to wear some crazy colored wings. Well, here we go. I have a bunch of videos like this on my channel, so click my face down below, check those out. And if you like what you see, click the red subscribe button down below. Subscribing really helps me out. It lets YouTube and others know that my channel is pretty good. Okay, and now let's get into this. Okay, so I'm just using a pair of white angel wings, and I'm using purple acrylic paint to paint on the feathers. I was actually really surprised how well this works. The feathers really soaked up the paint nicely. So I'm putting this purple paint in the middle of the wing. If you notice, there's like rows of feathers. So I'm doing 3 rows of this purple. When I get to my last row of purple, I'm placing a plastic baggie underneath the feathers so the paint doesn't get on the feathers below, which I'm gonna paint pink. Now I'm gonna paint the bottom 2 rows of feathers this hot pink color. As I'm painting, I'm also lifting up the feathers to get beneath them to fill in all the white spots in between. And I'm painting on trash bags so I don't ruin my floor, and also so I can just go crazy with the paint and really get on there. Okay, now time for the last row at the very top. I'm painting orange. And as you can see, the very top feathers are very different than the ones down below. These are more like kind of fuzzy feathers. So when I use the paint, it mats it down. The types of feathers that soak up the paint are the more like flat feathers, not the fluffy kind. I don't like how the paint matted down the fluffy feathers. So I just got some craft feathers from the craft store. I'm hot gluing these down over the painted part. They didn't have any orange feathers at the craft store, only yellow, but it still looks good and you just do what works. If you wanted to, you could make these wings by just gluing on feathers, but I thought the painting method was probably more cheaper and faster. And then I'm just gluing some more in the middle. And just like that, we're all done. Now we have some super cool, bright, colorful ombre angel wings. Okay, so now it's time for the section of my video where I read all your comments out. I usually do this like in a slideshow way, but I'm gonna try reading them out this time. Yes. Yeah, so I ask you all a question in my video, and then you answer in the comments, and then I read it in my next one. So the question last time was, if you had a spirit guide, what animal would it be? So Everything 101 said, I think my spirit animal would be either a peacock, a swan, or English bulldog, because I have English bulldog and I'm very lazy like her. In some of your videos, you have your English bulldog in them, and she's super cute. Okay, so Free Louise says my spirit guide would be a sea turtle too, because it's super chill like me. Sea turtles is the best. They're so chill. If you see one in the water, it's just going with the flow. I absolutely love them. Okay, and Morgan 3000 says my spirit animal would be a dragon. There we go, just go big. That sounds awesome. So all my videos are gonna be like 3 comments, and I'm gonna rotate them so you all get a chance to be read. And I just wanna know what all of you like so I can, that's adoring, squeaky. So the question in this video to comment on might be response to the next video. It's more kind of like a feedback question. I just wanna know what you all are into and like so I can make my videos to really attain to you guys, to cater around you. So I do makeup videos and costume videos and like jewelry videos sometimes. I want to know what type of videos do you guys like. The views only tell me so much. I want to hear from you. Do you like my makeup videos or jewelry videos? I just want to know that. Yes.
I like all of them.
You like all of them. Right? So she likes all of them. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a blooming day. Here are some other videos you might like, so check these out and subscribe to my channel if you like it. And follow me on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, see you next time.